Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today it's going to be a special vlog. You can say it's my hobby or a passion. I love fish keeping and aquariums. I used to have fish tank for around 10 to 15 years, and now I have purchased a brand new 55-gallon freshwater planted aquarium. It looks amazing. Let me show you around. Let's go. And yes, before going, if you are not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. It's free. So let's begin. Let's go. Alright, the first fish we have is a discus fish. It is also called the king of aquarium. Just look how beautiful this fish is. We have lot of different varieties in discus fish with colors and patterns. What I have is a orange discus fish. Next is a Corydoras fish. Now Corydoras are basically bottom feeder fish which eat all the remaining food from the gravel. So this is how my overall tank looks like. It looks awesome. I mean, just comment down below how you like it or not. These are Java fern live plants. These are all my neon tetras and Raminos tetras. And here comes the big guy. I think he's going to, yep, he is going to eat it. So basically this is a 55-gallon or we can say 220-liter fish tank or an aquarium with a fine gravel substrate, rocks and live plants. These are all the live plants. I also installed Java moss. You can see right behind there, also over here. So there is a constant filtration and air stone has also been added in the tank. The filtration media, I'm also using the filtration media. It consists of activated charcoal, ceramic rings and whatnot. I mean, there is no limit to what you can do with the fish tank or with the biomedia. So this is a short time lapse of my aquarium. So coming to the fish again, I have around 18 neon tetras, this one discus fish, 2 Corydoras and about 5 Raminos tetras. So tetras are schooling fish. So basically you have to keep it in a group of 6 or more. That's the reason why I have kept neon tetras in a big group of 18, and the Raminos tetras I actually had purchased around 6 to 7, but I lost 1 or 2. I don't know the reasons, but right now I'm having 5 Raminos tetras, and Corydoras I'm having 2 right now. I'm also planning to add 2 autosynclus fish, which are the algae eaters. So yeah, that's about it. And yes, how can I forget the Herculean Rasbora? Those are my little favorite guys. Those are around 8 Rasbora fishes I have. Those look amazing. So normally once every week I do a 20% to 30% water change, clean the glass, and this tank really needs a lot of attention and maintenance as you have lot of fishes in it, and also it's a planted aquarium. For a food, I'm using various kind of food. I use tetra bits, also dried black worms and micro pellets for all my fishes. So always feed them a varied diet. I also ordered some hikari sticks and food for my discus fish. Okay, so whenever you change the LED light, the tank completely looks different. I mean, discus looks completely different. From orange it turns to red. Awesome. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do comment down below if you are also a fish lover. Goodbye.